There are a lot of South African expats moving back to South Africa. What does this mean for your tax and what do you need to do?
First up, have a braai, sit in the sun, get a tan, and enjoy being back home. Second up, you've got 21 business days to notify SARS of the change in your circumstances and that you're back and you're ready to pay them tax. If you're coming to retire in South Africa, your pension and retirement payouts will likely be taxed, but this depends on the double taxation agreement with the country it's paid from. The exception is state pension, which won't be taxed if it's paid from a foreign state. Also, South Africa taxes you on your global income and gains on your global assets. So if you have assets abroad, the base cost of those assets will be determined on the day that you settle permanently in South Africa again. And this base cost will be used for future capital gains tax calculations, should you sell those assets or immigrate in future. So a good tip is to establish the market value of those assets when you move back to South Africa. And one last thing to think of before you move back to South Africa is if you have significant assets abroad, you could consider structuring those assets in a way that's more tax favorable and doesn't attract donations tax. But this is depending on the country where you currently live. Anything else to think of before you move back? Add your tips in the comments because sharing is caring and South Africans love helping each other.